There are moments when hope feels distant, not gone, but buried under frustration, fatigue, and unanswered questions. And living with hemiplegia can quietly weigh you down, and progress feels slow, effort feels constant, and hope can start to feel like something meant for other people. And I've learned that hope isn't something that you wait for, it's something that you rebuild deliberately. And I hope doesn't come from a big breakthrough. It comes from small repeated proof that it is possible, and changes as well. When hope feels low, I stopped looking for dramatic progress and I started looking for evidence that my body could still adapt, and evidence that my effort still matters. And one small win can shift everything. A smoother movement, a calmer reaction, a day where you didn't quit. And rebuilding hope starts with narrowing your focus, not just the whole journey, just today, just one session, just this effort. Hope grows when you keep promising to yourself, and even tiny ones, especially on the days when motivation disappears. And I learned to stop comparing my progress to anyone else's, because it's my journey at the end of the day. My condition may not be your condition. So let's, for example, I'm good with my foot. Yes, I trained it, but my leg is basically there is some slight like spastic movements, but it's manageable, and I'm confident that I can deal with any setbacks. But hope also comes from meaning, and when recovery becomes part of who you are, not just something that you're trying to finish. But there are days where I felt fatigued, but each time I kept on going anyway, and I grew stronger from that. Rebuilding hope is choosing to believe that your effort today is shaping something for your future self, even if you can't see it yet. And over time, that belief becomes unshakable, and not because life got easier, it's because you've learned how to keep on going. And if you are struggling right now, just remember this: hope isn't lost, it's waiting to be rebuilt, one step at a time. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.